friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Columbia jacket, which is Lake 22 Dawn hooded jacket. I've got it on Columbia site at Black Friday, but it's still a sale going on. So let's get to unboxing. So this jacket is more like, I don't know if it's for winter or other seasons, but it came in this packaging. The model is called, it's made in Vietnam and it's called Lake 22 Dawn hooded jacket in size XX large. I've got it size bigger because normally I get size X large, but I read reviews that it's around small, so I decided to get size bigger. And this coat is nice navy color. It's made, original price was $140, but it's on Black Friday sale, which was $50. So here is the tag, and it says Columbia Heat Seal Collection, and it says heat stays in, the cold stays out. Yeah, so it also, so this coat doesn't have that omni heat side here, just normal one, normal material. So maybe that's why it's cheaper, I don't know. But I decided to try it out. So it's really nice. It has hood that is attached to this coat. You cannot detach it. It also has Columbia sign, which is not engraved, just sticked or pressed. And also it says it's 650 down, power down. It has two pockets in front, kind of deep ones, and they are zippered with such thingy on the zippers. And yeah, so it's really nice coat, I mean jacket. It's lightweight, so it's great for traveling. If traveling is something, or even hiking, like hiking in some mountains, so it will be great jacket for that, taking in mountains, because it's lightweight and it still will keep you warm. It has hood, so yeah. And I will try it on how it looks on me. And this jacket was, it's a little bit bigger than others because it's one size. I decided to size it up. So let me see. So the jacket looks like this on me. I don't know, maybe it's a little too big in here. The zipper is also loud, kind of loud, but the sleeves are a little long for me, as you can see. So I don't know if to keep this coat, because it's a little long, but I could put it like so and then it will be fine. So it looks like this. So it's a little, here is fine, that's why I wanted to get bigger size, because I kind of not like when the coats are tight in chest, so I prefer when they are more giving, I mean comfortable. But here on this part it's slightly loose, like here, see? So my hood looks like this. So my hood, when I put, looks like this, which is a little big. And it doesn't have anything to regulate it. And here jacket looks like this. So it looks like this. Here it's slightly loose. And there is no regulation at the bottom. But I think it looks fine. It doesn't have any things like regulation, but it's not bad. It might be not super good for below 30s, but who knows, I didn't test it. But I have other Columbia jackets and they are similar to these ones, and when it's really cold they are too thin. Although I'm not sure, I have to test it outside. Yeah, it's like this. It's like this. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing of this jacket. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.